Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is March 24th, 2024, and you're going to notice the onions are in a different greenhouse. So, what we're starting to do with our onion plants, and we're going to be moving our cold season stuff over into the second greenhouse. This greenhouse is heated, but it is a cooler greenhouse. So, we're starting to harden these off for planting them outside. The old greenhouse is the warmest greenhouse, and the onion seedlings were growing really fast. These have been trimmed, and I do have videos on my channel for how to trim your onion seedlings. I'll put a video at the end of this video that you can click on and see how we trim these. But you can see how much they've grown back again. And we're getting these ready to be planted outside soon. We're gardening in Pennsylvania in zone 5B, and we want to get these used to some cooler temperatures, so we went ahead and we moved them over into another greenhouse. Now, hardening your plants off, especially if you're growing them inside like under lights, is very, very important. I do have videos on my channel for how I actually used to do this when I grew them in the basement under my lights. And I'll put a video at the end of this video that you can click on and see how I do that. But it was moving day for these, and they're in their new temporary house. You can see the onion bulbs here, how much they're growing. So I wanted to do this quick update video for you on the onions, because you're not going to see them in the other video that I just did for the tour of the old greenhouse. And I wanted to show you why and talk to you more about why we do this. And it does really help to make the plants stronger and make the plants more hardier. And it is a pretty big shock to them, like when you just transplant them outside without doing any hardening off. So with them being in this greenhouse here, it's going to help them a lot. It's also going to slow them down on growing because they're growing so quickly in one way, but yet it's going to help them in the long run for when they get planted outside. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.